Jhelum Station, 1928. Jhelum Railway Station. There's a ticket office. Great Western Railway. Get some platform tickets. Train times. And I don't know what that is. Me at Jhelum Station. Jhelum Station, eh? The railway yard. Well, we missed the train. We missed the train by about a minute. Now, because we want to try and get to Sargodha from Lala Musa. This is Lala Musa. Me and Mr. Shai are just above the road, above the GT road. There's the GT road, Lala Musa. And now, as we missed the train, we want to try and get to Sargodha. As we missed the train, we have to go and get the coaster from Gujarat, which is a pain in the fucking ass. Anyway, this is Lala Musa. Lovely place. Not. GT road at Lala Musa. And each GT road town looks just like the next. Hard to tell them apart. We were stuck in a high ace and it had 21 people in it. 21 fucking people. Jesus, because we missed the train, so we had to go from Lala Musa to Gujarat, and now we're waiting for a bus, a coach, which we booked, and which is going to take us a couple of hours. And I'm just having a piss, and look at the state of this. Jesus. Bus depot. Oh fuck me, look who's here. Beggar. Adventure time. Hey Bashai. Adventure time. Time to go to Sargodha in a coaster. Bus journey in the world. Completely packed and fucked. But this journey's fucked. 3 hours of fucking bumps and shite. Just about managed to luckily book these 2 seats. 2 seats each. Now we're getting on the train at last. From Sargodha station. We're going to Mandi Bahaudin. See? I was putting all this shit on the train. On the railway. So what do you think? Everything good?
Oh yes.
Who's your class fellows?
Your class fellows.
There's the class fellows there.
Ib's class fellows there.
Yep. And here's the train. Got the right.
Oh, okay, Allah de
Got the right. We're approaching the next station now. We're with the guard. Alright, stopped at Dingar station. We were in that box there. This is our train. People crossing by the side of the railway. Fucking thing's gonna fall over. We're at the back of the train. Stopped to change carriages. Not long to go now.